Another day, another node for Reticulum. This uses a Raspberry Pi Zero and a rack whiz block, this time with a display, because it just costs $1 more if you buy it with a display, which I soldered onto a plug so I can plug it in and out so I can save power if I want to. The power is supplied by this module that takes a input of approximately 12 volts and then steps it down to 5.1 volts exactly, because the Raspberry Pi Zero seems to like 5.1 volts to be able to run reliably. And the 12 volts for this regulator board comes from two different places. It either comes from this XT60 input connector with 12 volts through a diode this way round to make sure that if there was power supplied here it wouldn't go back through the diode backwards and cause problems. And for the USB-C input, which is here, which is what it's currently using, powered by a power bank, then underneath there, right at the bottom, maybe you can see, is a little trigger board or a decoy board. That's the tiny one with the red light on, and that tells the USB-C supplier, I want 12 volts please, and that 12 volts is then supplied through the lower of the two diodes onto the regulator board. So I've got two power input possibilities, and they both come out with 5.1 volts, which is fed into the rest of the circuitry, and it's all put into a transparent lidded box with a tiny antenna on it now, just for testing and focusing, and a power bank. So take a look at my channel if you want more details about Reticulum and nodes for use on Reticulum, particular radio nodes for 868 MHz ISM band LoRa.